Bonjour, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. If you're a store owner, these are your most important dates, no doubt about it. In this video, 5 tips that are going to significantly increase your revenue and 2 tips on what absolutely not to do. Top marketing experts recommend that you begin planning your BFCM strategy as soon as one ends, meaning 360 days upfront. What? A year up front? Why? Okay, this is tip number 1. Why do they recommend a year up front or starting in August? It's because a lot of people get Black Friday, Cyber Monday wrong. Black Friday is not a date where you go out and find new cold clients. You don't pitch clients for the first time on Black Friday. No, that's not a good idea. In 2021, your Black Friday strategy should be pretty simple, retaining old customers and getting new ones. So how do we do that? Let's get to it. Black Friday and Cyber Mondays are dates where you recontact absolutely everyone, and I mean everyone that has seen or bought any of your products or even heard of you. Those are the people that you should be targeting with an offer, obviously. So that's the first thing on what not to do. Do not start running ads or campaigns towards 100% cold audience the week of Black Friday. That's just throwing your money down the drain. That's not the time to do that. You should have started building up that email list long before and retargeting everyone that didn't buy back then with a fantastic offer for Black Friday. Remember, a lot of people will actually see your product, be like, oh, that's a great product, but I'm going to wait until Black Friday because I don't need it today. I'm one of those people. So you probably have tons of those clients in your list as well. Remember that. The second thing on what absolutely not to do for Black Friday is start changing up your store and the code of your store 7 days before Black Friday. Look, you don't want any unexpected surprises on Black Friday. You don't want to figure out that, oh my god, the link to my cart just doesn't work on mobile. No, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you want to make sure you have the most solid code base ever. So right now is not the time to move to Shopify 2.0. Do that after Black Friday. It's not urgent. Okay, so what do you have to do on Black Friday? Well, right now you should be looking at UX modifications, site speed improvements, and just overall little improvements to make sure your message passes along clearly on your website. So make sure you use heat mapping to see where you're losing customers right now on your website. Make sure you don't have any dead links and make sure your site is fast, especially on mobile. That way you're sure to get the most out of those visitors that come to your website, and let's be frank, that you probably paid a pretty penny for them to come and visit your website. So you want the max amount of conversion on your website. This is the moment to do it. Not 7 days before Black Friday. Right now, you fix UX issues, you look at your heat maps, and you fix your site speed. So it's perfectly in order 7 days before Black Friday. Tip number 2 from this floating head right here, because I absolutely mix into this background apparently, is please start building your email list last year. If you didn't start last year, start right now. Email and your SMS list. Let's face it, PPC ads will be incredibly expensive on Black Friday. Incredibly expensive. The cost of an email is not gonna go up on Black Friday. You want email marketing tool as your main weapon during your Black Friday, Cyber Monday campaigns. For Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you cannot send too much emails. There is no such thing. Think of it like this. The more emails you send, the better people are informed about your promotions on Black Fridays. And frankly, most people, they only sign up to your email address to get those Black Friday promotions anyway. Most of your revenue should really come from email during that Black Friday season. Look at the link below. I've linked Chase Demott. He is by far the best email marketer when it comes to B2C marketing for Shopify stores. He has a 4-hour course that is going to boost your revenue like crazy. Use the link down below. It's going to cost you about $800, which is probably one small campaign on your Facebook, and your return on investment is going to go through the roof compared to your PPC ads on Black Friday. And yes, it's true, you are supporting the channel if you buy the course through the link down below, because we made a deal with Chase, but I only reached out to Chase because I've worked with him in the past and I know he's the absolute best. Like, I send our top Shopify Plus clients to Chase, his agency. This course, for our course, it's amazing. But a quick tip I can already give you right now about email marketing and Black Friday is you want to split your campaigns. You want to build anticipation with one campaign, with emails such as, I don't know, only 75 hours before the Black Friday sale starts. Go, 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 people, let's get excited. And then the actual Black Friday emails that are abandoned cart emails or that are the actual promotion the day of Black Friday itself. So you want to build anticipation and then close the sale. All right, the next tip is plan your offer in advance and start thinking about that right now. And, you know, maybe even start preparing your clients for it. The last thing you want to do, as we mentioned earlier, is just dump your offers the day of Black Friday. No, create anticipation. If you keep your offer till the same day, your conversion rate might not be as high because, you know, people don't know what to expect. In total, Ezra recommends 10 different emails, 3 on Black Fridays, 2 emails on Saturday and Sunday, and then another 3 on Cyber Monday. Another thing you should absolutely be doing on Black Friday is upselling and cross-selling. This is the moment to install those apps. If you're saying like, hey Andrew, I can't really offer discounts because I'm on tight margins, especially with the PPC ads I'm gonna be running. Should have run those email campaigns, frankly. But especially with those PPC ads, you know, I can't give huge discounts. But what you can probably offer is bundles where you group your products together and offer a discount on that. Upsell and cross-sell is going to be key. This is a great way to increase average order value, and it also gives the impression to the visitor that they're really getting more bang for their buck. Finally, if you're looking for more ideas, you should subscribe to your competitors' newsletters to make sure that you know their strategies and you might get some great ideas from there. Because you can surely expect your customers to do this because they are going to be comparing the different deals, and so if you do it as well, you'll probably have an edge. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.